You can use the Pear Deck slide library whenever you want to quickly add pre-made interactive formative assessments or reflections to your slide presentation. Begin by opening a Google Slides presentation. Once you've opened your file, don't forget to open the Pear Deck add-on. Click on the Add-ons menu to find it. If you haven't installed the add-on yet, click Get Add-ons and search for Pear Deck. You can browse the different pre-made templates by clicking into one of the categories. Each template indicates a specific question type. Notice this one is a text slide, and students will respond to the prompt by typing text. When you click on a template, it will be inserted as a new slide into your file. Now that you've inserted a template question, you can adapt the slide to fit your needs. You can edit the prompt as well as other text or image areas. Whenever you can, look for opportunities to ask open-ended questions that will get students debating and considering other points of view. You can also change the question configuration by going to the Ask Students a Question section of the add-on sidebar. For example, you could change this draggable dot to a draggable flag. You can even change the color and size of the icon. When you're ready for class, be sure to click Present with Pear Deck so students can join your session and respond to your prompts.